Good morning, class 8. Mathematics, construction of quadrilateral. Today we will learn construction of rectangle and construction of a square. Today I will explain without geometrical box. And one day I will bring the geometrical box, then I can explain with the box. But if you see the activity, you can understand how will you draw construction of rectangle and a square. First you see two situations. If all the sides are given, rectangle, you know, each angle 90 degree properties, opposite sides are equal. So one side is given, suppose कोई भी side दिया हुआ है, मान लेते हैं 5 cm को, adjacent side 5 cm and 3 cm, length and breadth. So first you take AB of 5 cm or 3 cm. Since each angle is 90 degree, so as A and B you draw perpendicular. How will you? You see, from A you draw an arc of any distance without changing the distance. From this point you cut the previous arc, again without changing the distance. We draw another arc like this. From this point you cut this arc. This point and this point, if you join, so this will be 90 degrees. You will use the geometrical box, pair of compass, and then ditto process at this point. From B, by any distance, you draw an arc. From this point, we draw another arc. Again, from this point, we draw another arc. And from this point of intersection, we draw another arc. And if you join, so this will be another perpendicular. Now this is P 5 cm length. So this will be 3 cm adjacent side, the opposite sides. So you measure 3 cm on the scale, you cut 3 cm. And from this you cut 3 cm, you draw. So this ABCD will be quadrilateral. Yes, sorry, rectangle. This is very simple. I repeat, first you take length of breadth, which is 5 cm. At the ends of this line segment, you draw 90 degree by using pair of compass. उसे protractor से भी बना सकते हैं, but better, it is my advice to use pair of compass and you draw, you will definitely get these two angles 90 degree. So 90, you cut 3 cm, you cut 3 cm. And this will be automatically 5 cm. And this will be 90 degree. Because, you know, two perpendiculars on a line are parallel, with parallel. So this is 90, this will be 90, this is 90, this will be 90. Understand? So this is the logic justification. So this is, my dear, when one side is given. Now you see, one side and one diagonal is given. Diagonal bisect each other in a rectangle. So first you draw a line segment. Suppose this is 6 cm. You draw an angle of 90 degree as I have explained. And so this will be 90. Either here or here, down भी करना चाहें. और one diagonal is given. Diagonal मान लेते हैं 7 cm. Suppose. तो यहाँ भी आप 90 बना सकते हैं इस तरह से. Yeah. So you draw 90 degree both sides, and from this or this, you take 7 cm distance and you cut from here or here. From here and here. So this will be 7. You join. And the diagonals are equal. In a rectangle, diagonals are equal. You cut from 7 cm here. So this, you join this. A, B, C, D is the required rectangle. You will try to construct using pair of compass, scale and pencil. Now you see how will you find the, how will you draw square. If side is given and when one diagonal is given. Side is given, suppose 4 cm side is given. You draw a line segment 4 cm. You make 90 degree at A and B. So this is the method. So this is the 90 degree. And here also you draw another arc. So you know each angle 90 degree, 4 cm. You cut 4 cm. You measure 4 cm from here. This will be C, this will be D, you join. This is ABCD is the square. So this is the method when side is given. All sides are equal, you know, each angle 90 degree. So 4 cm का arc खींचे and draw 90 degree at the ends. And you cut 4 cm, you join. All sides will be 4. And so this is the method when sides are given. Now you see important. One diagonal is given. A square का property देखे. In a square, diagonals bisect each other, perpendicular. So, मान लेते हैं कि suppose this is diagonal is given, AB. You find the perpendicular bisector of this. From A, we draw an arc. From B, we draw another arc. This will be perpendicular bisector. Diagonal is suppose 7 cm. So this will be 3.5. मान लेते हैं ये. And this will be 3.5. And diagonals are also equal. So this will be also 3.5. And this will be 3.5. This is A. इसको कर लेते हैं B, this is C, this is D. इसको ज्वाइन कर लेंगे तो ये स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. Diagonal is given. All the diagonals are 2 diagonals in corrector. So एक diagonal ले लीजिए, उसको perpendicular bisector खींच लीजिए और ये हाफ इधर हाफ कर लीजिए 7 का 7/2. 7/2. This will be 7/2, 7/2. 4 points you are getting. You join these 4 points, you will get the required square. So next time I will explain how will you draw rhombus, how will you draw parallelogram. But today you have learned construction of special type of parallelogram, rectangle and a square. So for construction you should know the properties. In a rectangle, you know, opposite sides are equal, each angle 90 degree, diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect. And in a square, all sides are equal, all angles 90 degree, diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect. So properties, if you remember, and if you try once or twice, you will learn how will you draw the construction and how will you draw the diagonals. So that's all for today. And I hope you will follow my instruction and you will solve this particular chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.